Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Bella here. If you are new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're returning, welcome back. I'm gonna head to Seria or Daiso. Yes, one of those really cheap stores where I can get some meal prep containers. That is the plan for today. So if you want to go shopping with me, let's go. Which is a discounted store in Japan. They sell like a lot of things, a lot of high quality items in here for only just 100 yen. And yeah, it's like a dollar store that you find in America, but like if you go to those stores, the quality is very comparable because Seria here in Japan, they do offer like high quality stuff. And Seria in Italian means serious. They have some goods here that are seriously top quality. So I'm gonna check out the mason jar section because that's what I came here for. So let's go. Is because recently I went plant-based, so it's kind of hard for me to eat oat now. I can't really eat at convenience stores anymore, so I'm gonna have to prep my food like every single weekend. And I'm getting like a lot of mason jars so that I can make like overnight oatmeal and store like those kind of things in the jar. So it's for canning purposes, but you can also use like mason jars for dry ingredients like nuts and so on. And they have a really nice variety of jars here. I think I want something like this because this is actually really good when it has like a plastic at the top and glass at the bottom because it won't rust. So I want something like this, but I want them bigger. And oh, these look like stackables. You can probably, yeah, you can stack jars on top of each other. This is really cool for storage purposes. So let me just get the jars that I came here for. But I need like 6 and they only have like 4 right now. I'm gonna check if there are any more. Okay, about it. すみません。このグラスは多分。これ。They have like 4. They have 4 of these mason jars, so I'm gonna get them. I have one at home. Maybe I'll just get some bigger ones. They have bigger sizes. I need like only 2 more items. I need cling wrap and dishwashing liquid. So let me find that. These are really good that you can use to toss your salad before you actually plate them. But I don't have any space for this right now, so I'm not gonna get these today. I think I'm gonna get the grapefruit one. Because I like grapefruit. The last item is the cling wrap. What are these? Oh, this is what you actually put in the washer. Like maybe this one. Purple would have been good, but why is it not on this side? We want a prettier one, like this color. That's what I want. You got to just get sorted now. I just need a clean wrap, wax paper. Not making anything right now. So. Okay, this is a big one. Yeah, I want the big ones because for some reason this one is not microwavable safe, so I do not want that one. This doesn't say anything about it. I think I like the white and black. I love this because it just feels like top quality, but I think I'm gonna get this one. I want to get this one because it's just black and white. The reason why I'm getting this is because I don't just put my food, like cover my food, but I also do castor oil wraps for my fibroids, and I have to use this to help with wrapping my stomach. Yeah. So I get that. And these are so cute.
Put them back. Put it back. Put it back.
Guys, when you come into the discount stores here in Japan, it's like you're bound to find something that is really cute. Like, look at this cooking paper. Like, I think I need this to like put my salmon on before I put them in the oven. I'm getting this one. And yeah, that's how we deviate from the shopping list. Alright, so guys, I think we're gonna check out and we're gonna go check another store so that Sash can get the rest of her stuff. So Guys, this is about glass stuff. I'm gonna use some of the newspaper. I got my own stuff. And because they're trying to save on plastic, I just got my own bag. And my own bubble wrap. Glass. Shopping earlier, guys, and I did pick out some mason jars that I will be using for meal prep, and I just thought it was a good idea to just show you guys some things that I bought maybe about 2 weeks ago that are also going to be used in the kitchen. I actually didn't get these from a discounted stores. I got these from Franc Franc, and I just want to open them on camera so that you guys can see them. So the first thing is this. This is a measuring spoon, and they wrapped it up really nicely. I wanted to get it at Daiso, but for some reason Franc Franc had them like in the store and they were reasonably priced, so I just got these, and they are so cute. Look at that. Look at that. Very cute. So I'll be using these measuring spoon. This is 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon. Yeah, I think the reason I got this is because it actually has the measurement written on it. When I get the ones at Daiso, I have to really remember which one is a tablespoon and which one is a teaspoon. So I was happy I found these. So this is a really good buy. Next is this one. It's a bowl. It's actually 2 pieces, but I already started using one of them. So it's really nice and I love the color. So I'm just going to open it. I also got the plate set in the same color. So I'm excited about that. I really love them. I'm excited about the color. The bowl will be fantastic for my smoothies. I know that for sure. I'm loving the color. And let me just show you the plate set really quickly. It's the same color, but yeah, this is the smallest size, yes. And for my salads, maybe for my little dressing, yeah, I'll probably use that. And then this is the medium part. Really nice color, guys. Love, 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 love the color. And then this is a big plate, this one. So yeah, I really, 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 really love the color, guys. So that's why I bought it. It was really inexpensive. I got these at Franc Franc. Yes, about 2 weeks ago. When I was walking around, I saw them. I could not leave the store without them. So I just got them at Franc Franc because I'm trying to change out some of my plates, mason jars, and cookware. So yeah, my kitchen utensils as well. So that's why I went and I got these. And I'm really happy with this buy, guys. Happy. Yeah, look at mom. I am so happy with these buy. Alright, now I'm going to show you one last thing. Since I'm talking about kitchen things, and today I went shopping and bought some mason jars. And I showed you my plates. And of course my measuring spoon. Yes, this is something that I use almost every day. Now I'm going to show you guys the final thing that I purchased maybe like 2 or 3 days ago. Yes, I bought these at IKEA. Japanese pronunciation is IKEA and the American is IKEA. Yeah, so I went to IKEA and I bought this picture frame, guys. You could put 3 cards in here, guys. 3 pictures, 3 postcards. I did buy postcards to go with them. Some really cute ones. I can't wait to put them inside. So I'm just going to try to pop them in right now so that you guys can see what it looks like. I'm going to put this on my wall next to my little note right there. The thing about this frame, guys, is that it was really inexpensive. I think it was less than 1,500 yen. So yeah, less than $15. So I was really excited about this buy. So yeah, let me put the postcards in so that you guys can see it. So the postcards are really cute, guys. This one says be brave. This one is a butterfly. I love me some butterflies. I love butterflies. Hello sunshine. This is nice. I love this. And hearts, numbers. I'm just gonna pick 3 that I really like. I hope you guys will like them too. And also, you can tell me which combination you like down below. Yeah, which one you would put together if you would put a heart with a number. I'm just gonna pop these right in. So yeah, let's do this. This is really cute. Guys, this is really cute. I have be brave down here. Be brave. Hello sunshine. And of course, I chose the butterfly because I really, really, really love butterflies. Look at that. Doesn't that look cute? I think I'm gonna put it up here. I'm going to put it up here. I might have to put it a little bit. Let's see. Look at how cute that is. Yeah, I really like it on the wall. I think I'm going to put a few more frames on the wall with this. But yeah, guys, I bought this at IKEA. It was not expensive. And it was a great buy for the house. So I'm really happy with that purchase as well. Okay, guys. So yeah, this morning I went shopping at Seria. I brought you guys with me. And I showed you my mason jars and other things that I actually bought today. And I also showed you some of the plates that I got from Franc Franc, really nice plates and measuring spoon. And then I showed you my IKEA picture frame, photo frame. So yeah, guys, that about sums up today's video. If you like this picture frame, I will be leaving it down in the description below. And if I can still find these plates at Franc Franc, I'll also link them in the description. So you can also check them out if you're rearranging your apartment or if you need some frames or anything like that, then you can actually go to IKEA and you can get some frames. If you're trying to get some plates, yeah, you can go to any of these shops as well. And it all depends on your budget. For me, it just depends on presentation. I just love things that look good. So I gotta be careful when I go shopping. So today I did a good job and I got some mason jars. And now I'm gonna wrap up this video. So that about sums up today's video. And look out for my next video. I also have a video of me walking around in IKEA. Not necessarily shopping, but just showing you guys some items. So look out for that video. That video is coming soon. And thank you guys so much for always watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Yes, share with your friends. And until next time, guys. See you. Bye.